Hi, you're all welcome to this training, very important training in poultry management. This is the Poultry Site TV. Poultry Site TV is a global platform for all farmers. This is where you get up-to-date information on how to run your poultry and agri-business profitably. If this is your first time of being to this channel, look for the subscription button and click subscribe. Once you are subscribed to this channel, you always get our up-to-date information and upcoming videos. You will get the notification of every of our videos. You are highly welcome. I am your humble servant and the instructor, Dr. Leonard Charles Nwogu. Today is a new day in this channel. I've come your way once again with another interesting content. Management of breeding stock. Number 7, Maram's chicken breed. It is a chicken breed native of France, having a very rich and colorful plumage. It has an annual production of 180 to 220 eggs, and it can be grown both for meat and eggs. An average egg weighs 60 grams and the shell is brown. Number 8, Plymouth Rock chicken breed. This chicken breed is excellent for those who don't have much experience in growing chickens because they can easily adapt to a free-range lifestyle. These chickens are usually very tame and lay around 200 eggs per year, having a small to medium size and brown shell color. With proper care, they can lay up to 280 eggs per year. Plymouth Rock chickens are gray with white stripes. Number 9, Benevelda chicken breed. This chicken breed is an interesting cross between the Asian jungle fowl and the Dutch landrace. It was originally developed in Holland and is known for its glossy feathers. The chickens lay up to 200 eggs annually, having a light speckled brown color and a small to medium size. Number 10, Puff Orpington chicken breed. Originally from Kent, England, this is the most popular variation of Orpington breed and is ideal for backyard growing because it is very tame and eager to specialize and socialize within the environment. The chickens tend to get broody during the summer months, which is why they lay just 180 eggs each. Now, let's look at the samples of each of these breeds as you see them on this video, one after the other. Just watch them. You can see their color, you can see their stature, you can see their size, and you can as well assume their weight. You can see how they look robust and calm. They have hairs on their legs and they are plumpy. See their cheeks, how they look. You can see them. See their hen. This is the hen. They are very calm. They are lovely. They are friendly. They are also household birds. Number 11, the Amaracuna chicken breed. This breed originates in South America and it was named after the Amazonian Indian in Chile. It's also known under the name of Amaracona. The Amaracona breed developed as a breed between several hens and white bears, from which they inherited the character that gave them the title of chickens that lay the healthiest egg. The color of the eggshell has a bluish-green shade. Therefore, sometimes they are also called Easter eggs. They have an annual production of 170 to 180 eggs, weighing 53 to 60 grams. The egg production rate may not be a significant one, but due to the low cholesterol content in eggs, they are usually sold at a very high price. Number 12. La Braise chicken breed. It is one of the most oldest breed of French chickens, formed by the selection of local chicken population. It presents three varieties of colors: black, white, and gray, the most widespread being the white variety. A chicken that produces 160 to 180 eggs per year, weighing 65 to 70 grams, and having a white shell. The La Braise chicken is not only a productive laying chicken breed, it also has very tasty meat. Number 13. Hamburg chicken breed. The breed was developed in England by crossing the local breed of Andalusia, Minota, Sumatra, and Sebright Bantam. The name has nothing to do with the city of Hamburg in Germany. This breed produces an average of 150 to 170 eggs a year, weighing 50 to 55 grams. If you want to go into crossing or crossbreeding of chickens for higher egg production, based on this content now, you can know the breed of chicken you can cross to get the most and maximum egg production. Thank you. This is the Poultry Site TV. The Poultry Site TV is a global network. It is a forum for all global farmers. This is where you get unlimited information, training, and updates on poultry and livestock business in general. This is a channel that gives you maximum support to grow your agri-business profitably. If by now you have not subscribed to this channel, look for the subscription button below and click subscribe. Once you are subscribed to this channel, you always get unlimited notification of our upcoming videos. If you have any question regarding this particular content, if anything is not clear to you, ask your questions, make your comments, and I will respond to them at appropriate time. Thank you once again for keeping your subscription intact in this channel. I remain your humble servant and the instructor, Dr. Leonard Charles Nwogu. You are highly welcome. Keep your subscription intact. Share the links to your friends, groups, platforms, and relatives. Let them know this channel. Invite them to this channel where they will get succor to their poultry problems. Thank you once again. Remain blessed till I come your way once again with another interesting topic and content. Bye for now. I love you all. If you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to do that now. Click the subscription button and tap the notification bell so that once the next content is released, you'll be among the first that will get notification. If you are watching us from the Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, please continue to follow us. Make your comment, share this video, please. Share this video to your friends, platforms, groups, and your relatives. Let this video go viral. Let all the farmers globally get this video. It will help each and every one of you. You don't need to continue buying your day-old chicks. You can produce your own day-old chicks in your farm. Thank you once again. Remain blessed. Bye. Till the next content comes. I love you all.